Oh boys, we are back with another short. We got little kitty on my freaking dirt bike. Look at this. You'll see it on my webpage below, but we also got the Honda 300. Got the Honda 300. Then we got the Fanakin club cart. We need to get shoot, what you call it? Ion. We got more stuff, but they're in the shop. We got the Polaris 450. And then comment down below. We're gonna do a moto vlog later. Comment down below. Should I do it or not? See you guys. Dirt Bike Boy out.